Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Urby, and I'm on the the first floor, and I'm about to walk into building 2. So I'm gonna walk through here, and this is what it looks like when we walk in just on the first floor through building 2. It's a really cool, unique, modern and yet retro feel here at the Urby. So and there's actually 2 buildings, by the way. So there's they call it the South over here, and then there is the North that's over there. So we've already filmed the North actually several times. So that's here on this playlist, but now we're filming the South. You just want to see the great details here. There's an amazing concierge that's over there. He was very, very helpful and cool. And then you've got filtered water that's here. That's super fun. You can just press that button, get that water right there. And here's the mailbox area. So that's pretty cool. And then there's elevators that are here. There's one there, there's over there. There's also a wonderful pool that's over here. Now it's raining, so just so you know, it's raining, so you're gonna see a lot of rain. But anyway, that's the pool. And so the pool's right there, easy to access. And then we're gonna walk through here and take a look, just a little bit more here to see on the first floor. There's also, on the other area, there's a great gym. It's a beautiful gym. It's over there. So check our playlist because you'll see that gym and you will not want to miss it. It's a really big one. It's a cool one. There's a co-working area that's here too. So the co-working area is really cool. You're going to see also the elevators that are here. So this is what it looks like here in the elevators, and this is basically the first floor. So this is your tour of the South building, and it's the newer building, by the way. It's the newer building here at the Urby, and this is what it looks like. Hey, if you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below. And if you're ready to set up a virtual tour or a live tour, either one, you can request that. That's free as well. We'll take care of that for you anytime. Or if you just want to talk about Dallas, the best areas of Dallas, you can send that text as well and just say, hey, Grant, love to chat with you.